to be a thug in front of his motherfucking grandma crib with a pink ass shirt on. Nigga, you ain't the Polo Don, nigga. Nigga, you ain't Kanye, nigga. This nigga ain't Kanye. Who the fuck is him? Captain Nut. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, this Vic running from a motherfucking wheelchair all in the barbershop.
You let niggas get
this Vic running from a motherfucking wheelchair all in the barbershop.
My man Rascala told me stories about the nigga chasing that wheelchair.
6'1".
That nigga don't want to come to roll.
That bitch ass bully. That bitch ass.
Yeah, nigga, I put this on my nigga Buns. Yeah, we can take it there. The crib where your mama stay, no, you won't make it there. The streets not only talking, but they watching for me. I'm a beast, motherfucker, Earl, you looking for me? This nigga Earl so garbage to the point I got a bomb. The barbershop pussy be on target for the bomb. Clap for this nigga, cause this nigga need an audience. On me, rounds at the bar when I get the 40 in. Buns live here, pretty Tom plus toy. Fuck American gangsters, we the niggas in war. Must be hard times since this nigga bullet want a trick. But this bullet get him killed, have him stuck in cement. Laid on the pavement, the doc said it's cool. But Snake said the beef is on, take him to school. Niggas mouth like concrete, yeah, stay getting touched. Pussies cop a lot of burners and they ain't gon' bust. Now he found himself left in the dungeon, I gun ya. Be your ass dead, ain't nobody got a war on ya. Yeah, you know what I mean?
Hey, check me out. Look me in my eyes. What you thought it was over? The boy snake back like my name was Hova. They said I ain't rap. They said I was washed up. They said that the last time the kid got popped up. They said I was dead. They said I wasn't shit. Put rap on hold and went through a few bricks. Now my money looking good, and they don't like that. Whack 16s. Snake ain't write that. The album finna drop. I'm just trying to do me. First time out, I'ma try and do 3. It's only one of me, I cannot be cloned. Fuck Kettle 1, 7 Up and Patron. That nigga pop stud, and I ain't like that. Catch around the way, ain't no bringing his life back. Niggas do them, so I'ma do me. Just ran through a brick, I'm trying to run through 3. They ask me my connect, and I don't tell that. I cook up 9, bet I get like 12 back. Or maybe you niggas ain't listening. I'm a snake, you can hear it in my hissing.
A lot of niggas wanna fuck with dough, they know it's get down or lay down, best to get on the payroll. I'm a boss type, niggas do what I say so. When I send them killers, niggas best to lay low. Get popped like Fagos for the love of the pesos. My shots tear your block down like Legos. My bullets went through more niggas than J-Lo. Call me a savior, I put you in a halo. I got connects, get you coke by the caseload. It's dope boy with that state to lake flow. Rappers whose name I won't mention, better keep cool. The streets know me and niggas know how I do. G'd up from the feet up, we got keys, what? We don't need the rap game, the game need us. My niggas cock back and leave a hole in the O on your sock sack. We bout guap, man.
I'm a certified millionaire, Peyton in his rookie year. Need a couple dollars on a book, I can get you there. Most niggas panic when they hear a couple gunshots. Me, I let off full speed, nigga, fuck a cop. Bones crack, stab wounds. Yeah, I'm on some wild shit. I'm feeling like Stu, 94 in his prime, bitch. Fuck why he hot, nigga. This is why I'm hot. Post up with the cane in the middle of the block. Still searching for a nigga that claim he won't be, so I can clap his body up and bury him 6 feet. Street scholars 4 deep, but we coming with heat. 4 techs, 6 clips in the back of the Jeep, motherfuckers.